Hello everyone. Let's talk about our Constellation Lacing Set today. The Constellation Lacing Set comes with four boards based on four constellations: Gemini, Orion, Cancer, and Leo, and it also comes with two of the lacing threads. It's made of non-toxic rubber wood, and it can be used to teach about constellations and also for lacing. So when you start with lacing, the child can follow any pattern that the child wants. Like, say for example, something like this. Once the child has mastered this, um, you can show the child how to follow the lines on the board as well. So apart from lacing, when the child knows about constellations, you can also play a fun game. I play this game with my daughter a lot of times. So you just have to turn the boards around, and this is how it goes. Knock knock. Who's there? It's Leo. Knock knock. Who's there? It's Gemini. Knock knock. Who's there? It's Orion. So this is how kids learn about the names of the constellations. It helps with the vocabulary and language skills. There's also another fun thing that you can do with it. So when it gets dark, you can turn off all the lights and close the blinds and hold the face that has the drawing towards you and pass a torchlight or a mobile flashlight through the holes, and you can see the light passing through the holes reflecting on the wall, and it resembles almost like a starry scene, and it's very nice. My daughter loves it, and we do that almost every night since I've shown this to her. So coming to the pincer grip, that's also an important skill that the boards help you with. The pincer grip is something that is like this with the three fingers, and any activity that helps the child using these three fingers is very important. Pincer grip is a significant milestone that babies achieve when they are in the age group of around 9 to 10 months, and as they grow it keeps refining, and this is a very important precursor to writing. So that's all about the Constellation Lacing Set. We hope this helps, and you have any queries, do get back to us and we'll help you with everything that we can. Thank you. Bye bye.